Hi, my name is Jared Simpson. I'm here with MarineMax Boston, here today on the 2019 Azimut 55 Fly. Back here in the transom we have a hydraulic swim platform that can carry a large hard-bottomed tender or a jet ski. And on our starboard side we have access from the platform to our crew quarters, which is a head compartment. It's climate controlled and room for two. Natural cheek decking throughout the boat, bow, and even on the bridge on this model. Solid surface table here aft, U-shaped seating. Azimut was able to extend the hardtop all the way aft to the transom wall, which gives you probably the biggest bridge in its class for a 55-foot boat. Yacht class hardware and stainless steel you won't find on anything else in this size range from our competitors. We have an electric window here in the galleys aft. Relay appliances, convection oven, full-size refrigerator here in this compartment. Plenty of natural light, large windows, an opening helm window so you can communicate with people on the dock when you're underway. This is a 3-stateroom, 2-head layout. The master stateroom is midships on this boat with a private head compartment, which I'll show you now. TV is actually behind the mirror on this boat. We have huge hull-side windows with small port openings. Private head compartment with a stall shower. On the starboard side, we have side-by-side berths with guest stateroom, large hanging locker, entertainment system. And this is the VIP stateroom forward. Plenty of headroom in this boat, as you can see. We'll walk up to the bridge. We have a large retractable sunroof in this boat integrated into the hardtop. Huge sun lounge on the starboard side next to the helm station. This boat is powered with a pair of 800 horsepower MAN diesels. It is an Aventix joystick docking system that operates the transmissions and also the bow thruster. Makes it very easy for this boat to be maneuvered around the docks. Moving aft, you have a huge lounge area here, another table, and again, as I explained earlier, the bridge on this boat goes all the way back to the transom wall, which gives you more square footage and more space than you'll find on any other 55-foot boat. Now moving up to the bow. Plenty of seating. And there's also a power sunshade as well. Huge anchor lockers where you can store fenders and gear. Wash down for your anchor as well. It's just the perfect boat in this size class. If you'd like additional information on the Azimut 55, my number is 781-727-0629. I look forward to hearing from you.